Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. We are going to make a smoked cheese ball today, a bacon ranch smoked cheese ball. So stick around and I'll show you how we do that. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do for our cheese ball is we want to smoke our cream cheese. So we're getting our smoker fired up. We're going to set it at 225 and we're going to get this cream cheese smoked. Alright guys, so the first thing we got to do is get our cream cheese on the smoker. And I'm not doing anything to it other than I got it out of the packages. They were a little messy to get out, but that's the way it is. And we're just going to put it on the smoker at 225 for probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Once the top starts to brown, then we'll get it off there to make our cheese ball. Alright guys, cream cheese has been on here for 2 hours. See this brown color? We've got some smoke in that. It's all good to go. We're going to get it off and get our cheese ball made. Alright guys, we've got some bacon on the smoker here now. We're going to put this in this pan. We're going to let it cook for about probably 20-30 minutes. We're going to bump the temperature up from 225 to 350 to 400. And when we get that bacon smoked up, we'll come back and we'll get our cheese ball put together. So the first thing we're going to put in here is a half a cup of fresh chives. So we're going to get those diced up and get them in our bowl. Alright guys, next that we're going to put in there is 3 tablespoons or 1 package of dry ranch dressing mix to go with our cheese. Okay guys, so next in here we're going to put 1 teaspoon of dried minced onion into our cheese ball mix here. Next we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to go ahead and just get that all mixed together. We're going to add 1 16-ounce bag of sharp cheddar cheese to go in with our cheese ball. Alright guys, you can see there. Took about 25 minutes. The bacon's done, ready to be crunched up. Okay guys, so you're going to take your bacon and you're going to crumble that up. You are going to reserve about 6 to 7 pieces to put in the nuts and that you put on the outside. But we're going to put that in there, get it mixed up. Then we're going to get our nuts and we're going to spread those out. We're going to take the remaining bacon and crumble that up with those. Now our cheese ball has been in the fridge. We've let it chill in there so that it'll be a little stiffer if you leave it in there for an hour or so. It's a little easier to get the topping on it. It's not quite so squishy. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap this and we're going to get the topping put on it. You'll see here that I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to roll this around on the toppings once I have it unwrapped, and that will stick all the stuff to the outside of it. So anyway, that's what you're going to do, is get that all on there. And then you're going to put it back in the fridge. So the topping is just pecans and the bacon. That's all that's in it. Alright guys, that's our finished cheese ball. We're going to try this thing out. It's been in the fridge for a couple hours. Let's see how it is. A little bit hard there. Been in the fridge, just came out. Probably need to set it out for a minute, but it'll taste the same. Yeah, guys, that's awesome. It has just a little bit of smoky flavor to it. And then that bacon and the ranch, it's fire. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.